Hi everyone, and thank you for joining us on a tour of 911159 Kamakana Street. It's unit 905, a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Let's take a tour. So this is the great entertaining space, and as you see, this huge island so that you're able to entertain. Casual dining here. And we're gonna go to the backyard. This is an upgrade, totally finished, as well as in the garage. Great big backyard. And it wraps all the way around and it's completely fenced in, so if you have any animals, this is the perfect yard. As we come through the kitchen, we see that there's a ton of extra storage space and pantry space. There's an extra half bath here, so guests don't have to trek any higher than the first floor. And then join me in the garage where the washer and dryer are. And as you can see, the floors are also upgraded here as well, and there's plenty of space for storage, and automatic garage doors are installed. My favorite piece about the entire lower level is this island here. It also features a huge farmer sink and stainless steel appliances throughout the home. Here in the den area is the perfect spot to entertain if you have game night or friends over. All right, so there are 3 bedrooms here and 2 full baths. This is a 1 full bath. And now joining us into one of the bedrooms. And right across the hall is the office or guest room. There are closets in each of the rooms, and the home also boasts extra privacy with these plantation shutters. And now to the master suite. It's very cool up here. And there's more privacy than a lot of our neighbors. Welcome to the grand bathroom, right en suite of the master. This huge walk-in closet. It's big enough for 2. Double vanity, his and her sink, as well as an extra large tub.